It's Diwali time, and what better way to celebrate than with a batch of homemade Adhirasam? First, keep the wet milled rice flour ready. A link to this video is given in the description. For every 1 cup of rice flour, take 3/4 cup of jaggery. Add just enough water to cover the jaggery and boil it. Once all the jaggery is melted, strain out the jaggery syrup and add it back to the kadai for boiling. The syrup has become thicker now. In the meanwhile, take out half the rice flour and spread it on a tray. The jaggery pak or jaggery syrup should be of a soft ball consistency. To test the consistency of the syrup, take a small bowl of water and drop the syrup. It has reached the soft ball consistency, what my mother calls takkali paga in Tamil. Turn off the heat and start adding the syrup a little at a time to the rice flour. Mix with a ladle as it will be very hot. Keep adding more of the syrup and then more of the flour till you're done with both. The experts have taken over from me now. Mum and Dad stirring the dough. Once done, transfer the dough to an airtight container. We generally rest it for a day or overnight and then fry the Athirasams the next day. This dough stays good in the fridge for 6 months. Heat oil in a pan. I have used peanut oil. You could also use ghee. Grease a plastic sheet with some ghee and pat a portion of dough to a thick disc. Now that the oil is hot, transfer the Adhirasam to the hot oil. Flip it and let it cook on the other side. Remove the Adhirasam from the oil and press it with another spoon to drain the excess oil. Transfer to a plate and let it cool down. Repeat the process till you have as much Adhirasam as you need. The rest of the dough can be stored for up to 6 months in the fridge. It is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Now we share some tips or answers to some frequently asked questions. Use only wet milled rice flour or the modak flour. The jaggery syrup should reach soft ball consistency. Then the dough will be a bit loose like this. If it is too hard, just use a teaspoon of milk, mix and then make the Adhirasam. Thank you for watching Savarchi Bavarchi. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon.